Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Very well struck. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. No chance for any fielder to cut that off. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. That was a stunning shot. Picked and deposited out of the park for a six. That's a clean strike. He has hit that exactly where he wanted to. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. That was a brilliant shot. Perfectly executed.